What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a great and very useful tweak that you should download and install. This tweak will allow you to translate any text directly through the options menu, as you can see. This tweak will allow you to translate in any language you want easily and without going back and forth between translation apps or hitting extra buttons. This tweak is very useful guys, and I recommend you to download this tweak. It's completely free. Alright guys, to download this tweak, first go to Cydia. Now go to the sources here and add this source. After adding the source, go to the search here. Now in the search here, search for Cydia Tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. One of the best things about this tweak is that it is completely free. It's a lifesaver translate tweak. Cydia supports most famous apps like Messages, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Now go ahead and install the tweak. Install, confirm. I already installed the tweak, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings. Scroll down and search for Cydia Tweak. Alright, this is the tweak. Okay guys, the first option here is the supported apps and tweaks. From here you will find all the apps and tweaks supported by this tweak. This tweak supports several apps and you can customize the settings of each app as you want. Just open any app and as you see, from here you can enable the translation of outgoing messages and also enable ask before sending and more. From here guys, you can choose the language you want to translate from. Of course guys, I recommend you to choose detect language. In the second option here, choose the language you want to translate to, and here you can choose any language you want. You can also enable or hide the translation button and more. As you see, you can customize any app as you want. Here in the second option, which is the translation services, you can choose the translation service provider you want. I just recommend Google Translation. In the third and last option here is translate tweaks. From here you can translate any tweak into any language you want easily. Just select the language you want and then the tweak will be in your chosen language. This tweak guys is wonderful and worth a try, and the way the tweak works is easy and simple. All you have to do is choose the text you want to translate. Now in the list here, swipe to the left and you will find the translation button as you see. Of course guys, you can add the language you want from the tweak settings. You can add more buttons here. This tweak is one of the most important tweaks for me and it's very useful and worth a try, and I recommend you guys to download this tweak. It is completely free. Okay guys, if you want to get my widget, then watch this video that appears here to know how to get it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.